Alright guys, we are going to Isaiah's house, listening to some serenation. He needs to grab some stuff from his house. We're gonna film the prank on Jack tonight. It failed because Jack said he's gonna come at 11, and we stayed in the room over 4 hours. How you feel? Yeah, we're gonna get him tonight.
Is that like a vlog?
Yeah.
Wait, is it your vlog?
It's his vlog.
Yeah.
My brother's. He's Joogsquad PDTV.
Why did I just ask that? I know. My bad.
My bad.
I was just talking to these kids that I didn't.
That's clickbait right there. We need to find a really hot girl with a bikini on. That's clickbait too. What are you texting, huh?
I was sending my number to my friend.
Taking squad pictures of this man.
Are you lying or are they just waiting for me? Wait, I'll be back. Oh, wait, no, I gotta take you. Stop vlog.
Say what's up.
What?
What?
Is this vlog going on the channel?
Yeah.
So many people.
Wait, give him stickers. Like, did he have some?
Yes, stickers.
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't. You do.
I know. Hold on, hold this.
Watch out, Jack's wallet is over here.
Hey. Alright, here, give it to him. Now it's out. Pictures now. Playlist.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Huh? Where's the money from that?
Oh, thank you.
I'll buy you guys lunch later.
Alright, sick. We're just chilling outside, walking around, enjoying the sunlight. Got our room keys for the North Tower. Yeah, it's pretty lit for the North Tower. Whoa! We got Limpy right here with a boot on. And yeah, there's gonna be a good pool party tonight. It's gonna be sick at 6 o'clock. Yeah, we're just gonna find the Island boys and I'll keep you guys updated.
You made it. I'm Ricky.
Isaiah.
Sorry.
Yeah, we're been walking around. Alright, we are going to the North Tower now. Heck yeah, Jack. Who's the name?
We almost made it.
We almost made it. Skirt.
Thank you so much.
We have to go like 10 more feet.
You guys having a good time?
Yeah.
I'm just happy I'm here. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Thailand 3 days ago, I wasn't sure I was gonna make it. Yeah, I got here at midnight last night.
I saw on Snapchat.
Yeah, like, yeah, you saw the whole airplane story. I'm like, oh, I hate myself right now. Yeah, but I made it, so that's what's important. Yeah, I'm gonna go out by the pool in a minute, so hopefully see you guys around. Have a great day.
You too.
guys, you hand those to them. That's yours.
Okay, cool. Hold that, viewers.
All right.
Good job, guys. Thank you.
Yeah. Ah. Give yourself a shout out.
Yo, what's up? My name is Louis, aka Lulu, aka Louis Lazuka. I make dance videos. If you want to check me out, I start vlogging every day. Oh, we're still vlogception over here, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you follow me, man. But most importantly, follow the homie over here. He's working his way. Get him to 100K, y'all.
100K after the end of the year. That's my goal.
No, dude, you're gonna get summer by VidCon.
Really?
Bro,
You go to VidCon?
Bro,
Hey.
you have to set your goal high. Yo, here's the thing, man. You got a dream, or you want your dreams to be dreams?
Yeah.
Listen to me. Don't let your dreams be. I keep looking at the freaking screen.
Yeah, I know.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Let that sink in, yo. No, man, you can do it.
Yeah.
You can do it, yo. You just gotta do it.
Thank you.
Say what's up.
The vlog?
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Who's Nick?
Yeah, should I go tell him? Should I? Okay, I'll tell him
About to ball up in the creative lounge.
I just say they're with us. They go together. We just go like that.
Dude, have Iron Wood Productions up, right?
Yeah.
Have the channel up. No, have it up and ready. Dude, have it up on YouTube. Bro, I have no...
Alright, come on. Alright.
He's it up. I know you from that one time.
Thanks, guys. Good to go. Thank you.
I'm with them.
They need a car key as well.
They do?
Or badge. Yes, they do.
Every individual needs their own key or
Or
one of those.
badge.
They only give us one.
Oh, you only have one?
Yeah.
Do you have any spares up in
My brother has
Another one?
My brother has one.
If you can get,
You could run up and get one of the other people.
Yeah.
Got in you.
We got Chick-fil-A, thanks.
Hey. Good luck. I would have gotten you Chick-fil-A if someone
Yeah, bring our share over.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, look at
Tyler.
Squad member in the building. Give yourself a shout out.
Daniel_Jabber.
On Instagram? Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram.
Who's that star from? This guy. The left.
Tanner Brongart and someone else.
Nice.
It's just a button, you don't need to hit it.
Yeah. Bully.
room's 27.
We're 18, but we're going to 27.
Why?
For re-vlogging with our friends.
I really should kick you out of this elevator right now.
Why do you have to, like,
We'll leave, but if you move for us, just click it and then we have to. We'll leave if you want.
Why is there 6? This to me is you guys are riding elevators.
No, we literally just got in.
Yeah, we just got in.
We got in and we were just trying to go straight.
I hope I don't find you guys in here later tonight, or I'm gonna take your passes. I'm not even a kid. Okay?
Going up.
If you do double close, you can skip all the floors. Like every time you pass.
21st
If you want to skip
floor.
them. I'm just trying to help out. Is that true? Yeah.
Going up.
Yeah, that's what we were doing. That's. Here.
22nd floor.
That's what they told me.
Going up.
We're going up, guys.
You know what? We can just go up.
I'm gonna ask you guys to come out and get an elevator that's going down.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're trying to go down.
Appreciate it.
5. Who wants a high five?
Me, bro.
Oh, come on.
Going
Not
up.
as chill. Wait, let's just hit my water bottle.
Going up.
Bye, friends.
See you, dude.
Twenty-fourth floor.
Yeah.
We're back.
You guys are back? What happened to you? Like, you guys died last night.
Yeah, we were trying to give you guys pizza.
I know, my mom told me I was sleeping. I told you guys I was sleeping.
I knew we had the right room.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my mom. I told one of you that I was going to sleep. Didn't I not?
I don't think
I think it was you.
No, fuck.
I see you guys.
Go. Go.
Again. No. You should have.
Yes, sir. Dang it.
Yes, sir.
Fan, a hat. Police.
You just gotta like put like your finger like where it's
Which hat do you guys want?
Are you being dead serious?
Yeah, one hat.
I want this one.
I kind of fuck with this one. Hold up. Yo, Joogsquad, this one's fresh.
Do we actually get to have these?
Yeah.
Yeah, one each?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you guys want?
You can give them this shirt.
What about the Italian?
That one?
Sure.
Alright, see you guys. Enjoy the hats.
Hey, good deed. Oh, thank you.
but no.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah, we need it clean when we're gone. That wasn't us. Yeah, that wasn't us.
That was not us.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, I got kind of dizzy there.
She took off the sticker and then put it back on.
I know.
Yeah, hey.
She's like, you guys might.
Nah. Nah.
Okay, so you don't have to worry about anybody else.
Nope.
Like.
Okay, so I don't know where they went, but they tried to prank me, but I kind of reverse pranked them because I knew that they were gonna prank me, so I just stayed in the bathroom and they were all just waiting for me. So yeah, they were all waiting for me for nothing. So you guys got pranked, not me, you. And you guys waited for a long time.
Yeah, we thought you were taking it.
Yeah, you went to the bathroom.
Oh.
No,
What happened there? Shots fired.
that was Ricky.
When we were going live, when we were saying that we're coming here, or no? Probably not.
Hey, it's your girl.
I'm Kaylee. I'm Sarah, and we are Sarah and Kay, the Wiggles.
No way. And then we started walking by. And then we saw you.
I'm so tired.
And then now.
You don't know who the hell we are. Okay.
Like and subscribe.
Do it.
Like and subscribe. Your camera's about to die.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Like.
Just like